Alright guys, so in this video I'll show you how you can use lo-fi beats to generate a lot of income for you. And you don't have to personally sort of create a newer set of lo-fi beats. You can just reuse whatever you were making. If you're making lo-fi beats just like I was, this is a perfect way. You can go ahead and sort of check this channel out. This channel name is MODY. I'm not sure what, how to pronounce that, but this channel right here is posting sort of simple playlists. And what this channel is doing very well, I would say, is using known characters in its in its thumbnail and in its art design. So if I click on any sort of video over here, right, there's I'm not sure, there's some Simpson character right here, and this is a Simpson character. Everyone knows what the Simpsons are, all right? So now this guy's posting a ton of lo-fi music here. So this guy is using other people's lo-fi beats. If you have already made a ton of lo-fi beats, this is something you can sort of do. You can start a new channel and name it whatever you want, right? Like sleepy lo-fi chill whatever, just name your channel similar to the your beats channel. And if you already have a ton of lo-fi beats made, or if you want to make lo-fi beats and then just sell it, you're already selling, this is something you can do, sort of double your income here without even making newer beats. You can go ahead and just sort of compile your beats and then go to Fiverr, right? Just go to Fiverr here and then just create just search for lo-fi animation, and this guy right here is selling a lo-fi animation just similar to similar to this one right here. As you can see, it's similar to this guy is making lo-fi animation here, using lo-fi animation. Now I'm kind of guessing he sort of just asked a Fiverr gig, if someone from Fiverr made this. So this guy is charging about $20 for this 30-second loop here. Okay, 1 minute loop. So there's a ton of things happening. There's a Simpson character just like we saw in the video. The ton of things are also happening. Just charging $20 for this very loop, I'm quite sure. You can go ahead and sort of research lo-fi animation and then just check whichever one you like. I'm sort of looking at someone named Motion with Annie. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but this guy's selling this one gig. I really like this gig. You guys can go ahead and check this out, or you can check any other ones if you want. But this guy's charging $20. $20 is absolutely it's absolutely nothing compared to the amount of money this channel is making. So I went here in this channel. I went to the stats, and I saw 2.5 million views in the last 30 days. Now if we go ahead and sort of calculate this by sort of calculate, it's getting 83k views every single day, and multiply by 30 was every single month. It's going to be 30. Okay, multiply by 30, multiply by 0.002, which is sort of keeping RPM, which is revenue per mile per 1,000 views. I'm just gonna go ahead and sort of I'm actually guessing this channel is getting $2 every single 1,000 views. So some channels are getting $3, $4, $5. Big channels are getting $10, $20, but I'm not sure. We're just gonna go ahead and remain in the more conservative side here. So it's a very conservative number, $2. Just $2, and even if you say $2 per 1,000 views, this channel is earning at least 5k views. $5k dollars every single month, right? Every single month from just by posting simple lo-fi beats. And this is actually really good, because if you already make a lo-fi beats, you already make beats that are in this chill lo-fi vibes, you can go ahead and sort of purchase a $31, I'm sorry, 30-second loop from Fiverr and just start compiling these videos, right? Just like this this guy's doing, right? As we can see, SpongeBob here, right? Now, I'm quite sure Fiverr, someone from Fiverr made this thing, or maybe this guy made it himself. I don't know. But on Fiverr, there's a ton of people making for really, really cheap. You can go ahead and sort of grab that, and it's also getting a ton of views. This is why I'm sort of capitalizing it. It's getting this video alone got 100K, almost 100K views, and it's just a very simple thing. If you're already making lo-fi music, if you already made chill music, right? You don't even have to ask someone else to sort of give you the rights to use their music. If you're already making, if you're already selling some lo-fi chill beats, you can go ahead and sort of capitalize on this niche, on this way, just to double your income and sort of gain more, just gain more money. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up, and I really appreciate all the people who are subscribed to my channel. I just can't wait to show you guys more ways to sort of earn a lot of money and just double and triple your income. And even if even if you haven't started yet, there's a ton of things that I want to share through this channel. And if you are sort of a fan of making music, passive income, all these things, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, and like this video if you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna keep sort of making videos like this. This is another thing that I said about Fiverr. I talked about in the last video, I talked about how you can sort of make beats on Fiverr, how you can sell beats on Fiverr. This time I'm sort of telling you to sort of use Fiverr, and it's the same thing, because you can sort of go ahead and do multiple things. So you don't have to just do one thing. As long as you have the power, the time, the energy to sort of do multiple things, I would say you can do. Okay, this channel alone is not what I'm doing. I'm also running a complete channel. This is not my channel, but I'm running a channel on YouTube, and I cannot name that channel, but you can go ahead and sort of do multiple things at the same time. As long as you have time, as long as you have energy, you can go ahead and sort of do it. Just a little motivation for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. Let's go. I'm sort of looking for we're gonna get 100 subs pretty soon, and we'll see. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Take care.